So here we go. We got the DNA Motoring E36 LED Taillights. So as you guys can see, they come in a regular box. It's cardboard. Nothing special about this. It's all online ordering stings and you know, nothing special about this. Basically, you get this package, and as you guys can see, there's nothing really special about this. Nothing exciting yet. We can go ahead and open these up, and as you guys can see here, we got some nifty bubble wrap, you know, and that's about all we get in this box here. Well, what is that? Well, let's take a look at that. What is that? Side markers? Rear side markers? With 3M tape on them? Yeah, look good. Whatever. Okay, so let's get to the good stuff. This is what you're gonna get, and they come some sort of sealed. They're sealed right here. So let's open this up. Let's see what this is all about here. So this is what we're getting here. There's all this crazy stuff. You guys want to open this up? It also comes back. Jesus, I feel like a kid at Christmas. Okay. Sick of this. And this is what we're looking at here. So on the E36, this is foam. And, well, this looks really damn good. We're gonna have to look at what these look like on the car. We'll do a little video here of putting these on and what they look like lit up on the car. But as you can see, these come with the lights already supplied because it's an LED module. You don't have to buy any head bulbs or anything. You just gotta plug it in right there and screw it on. So that's pretty simple to do. I think we're gonna try to get that done tonight. See what these guys look on. So that's the one that goes to the right side, and this is the one that goes on the left side. And like I said, these are the DNA Motoring LED lights for the E36 BMW, which is our little build that we're going on and doing right now. And they come with the bulbs in there and the LED stuff in there already, so we're gonna pop those in tonight and see how that looks. They come with a really nice made in Taiwan hologram right there, and some sort of a, it says right here 50 watt 10 RJ something right there. It tells us LED 03010 left hand, and everything is about ready to rock and roll. And pretty simple construction. So yeah, that's what it is. I guess we'll see what these guys look popped in. Thanks for watching. This is gonna be a real nice addition to the car. You know, with the side markers and all that good stuff in there. So, as you can see, it's gonna turn out to be real nice and bright in the back of this E36 here.